Why would I worry? You never show up late, and you don't make mistakes. I'm not in a hurry, no. I'm walking at your pace, 'cause you showed a better way. In the night, I won't be afraid. You're by my side, so I know I'm okay. So I will sing at the top of my lungs, the loudest praise, and it goes like, hey, you never change. Your love is strong and it won't fade away. And oh, you never let go. Every day I will sing your praise. I will sing your praise. Praise, praise. I will sing your praise. Praise. My maker, yeah, you are. You call me by my name since before the earth was made. The whole world's creator, yeah. You put the stars in space and the smile on my face. In the night, I won't be afraid. You're by my side, so I know I'm okay. So I will sing at the top of my lungs, the loudest praise, and it goes like, hey, you never change. Your love is strong and it won't fade away. And oh, you never let go. Every day I will sing your praise. I will sing your praise. Praise, praise. I will sing your praise. Praise.
Fate Entertainment.
When have you chosen to hide something? Maybe mom asks if you brushed your teeth and you say, well, yeah, even though you just ran water over your toothbrush. Or maybe you don't think you can ever understand math, but instead of asking for help, you sneak a peek at your friend's test paper to double check your answers. Or maybe you're kind to your little sister when your friends are watching, but you snap at her when they leave. You're so annoying. Just go away. Truth is, we all mess up. We all make wrong choices. And instead of owning up to what you've done, it's easy to start hiding, to cover up, to show the world a fake smile, while inside you feel angry or ashamed. But there is more to the truth. No matter how badly you mess up, you are deeply loved. The God who made the entire universe knew you and chose you before the world began. There is nothing you can do to make God stop loving you. When you begin to know and experience God's amazing love, you don't need to hide anymore. You can admit you didn't actually brush your teeth and go back to finish the job. You can confess your struggle with math and ask for help. You can draw on God's love to help you treat your sister just as well when you're alone as when people are watching. The more you choose to be truthful in whatever you say and do, the more others can see God at work in you. They can see how God never changes and never lets go. That's why integrity is an amazing way to worship God with your life. Because worship is about more than just singing loud. It's all about living loud.
Brandon, you are not gonna believe what I got.
Oh,
I believe I won't believe it.
Check this out. Ooh. All right. I got motor oil.
Oh,
I got a tire iron. Look at that. Look at that.
I see it.
I got a shoe. One shoe. You don't know how many times I just needed one right shoe. Oh, I got 30 plastic bags shoved into one plastic bag. And I got a bag of clothes labeled thrift store.
John, what is going on here?
Oh, there's a trunk or treat happening in the parking lot, and I got all this stuff.
Trunk or treat?
Yeah.
John,
Yeah.
do you know what a trunk or treat is?
Yeah, it's where people open up their trunks and you can get treats from them.
No, it's where people give kids candy from their trunks.
Candy from a trunk? That's disgusting. No. Look what I got. This is a treat. Whoa. Look at that.
Yeah,
It's a spare. I got a spare tire.
for what vehicle? Hello everyone, I'm Brandon.
And I'm John.
And welcome to the So and
Whoa.
Yeah, the So and Whoa show. What was that?
I don't know. Let's pull it back and
Okay.
try again. Yeah.
All right, can we?
Yeah.
Here we go. Hello everyone, I'm Brandon.
And I'm John Wowzers.
Okay, just leave it.
Okay.
All right. Hello, I'm Brandon.
And I'm John.
And welcome to the Where Is It Going? What is going on?
I don't know. Here, let's just grab it. Here. Let's just
Yeah, sorry.
It's fighting me. Okay, here we go. Oh, I think the breakdown here is
Okay.
broken. Oh, this thing is falling apart.
Desk is a piece of junk.
Yeah. You know what I'm thinking?
We need something flashy.
Yeah. Something snazzy.
Eye-catching.
Head turning.
I think it's time for an upgrade.
Yeah, let's soup up this desk. We did it, So-and-Soians.
It's time to reveal our brand new So-and-So Show desk. Count us down, John.
Right. 37, 36, 35, 34,
Really?
33, 32, 31.
John.
I'm building up the anticipation. 30, 29.
Can we just-
Okay, fine. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is amazing!
Let's give them a tour, show them what's under the hood.
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
absolutely.
You'll notice the paint scheme.
Yeah.
It's red.
Yeah, bold like us.
Accentuated with what are these, real diamonds?
Probably not. They all came in one tiny bag from the craft store. But you know what? Just for now, let's assume yes.
Accentuated with diamonds
Uh-huh.
because we shine bright.
Like a diamond. And if the accents on the desk weren't enough, you'll notice in this custom-made sign there are 365. Are we calling these diamonds?
They are diamonds.
Okay, 365 diamonds for the 365 days in a year and the 365 episodes of the So-and-So Show we have done.
And right here, we have our very own music break saxophone.
Oh, yeah.
Take it, John. Like the sound of angels.
Oh, and don't forget our very own popcorn maker because you never know when we're gonna need a snack.
Oh, and we have these emergency lights.
Oh,
right
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Oh, safety first.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna play a little more of this. This is cool. this is nice and all.
But
Yeah, I kind of miss the old desk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, this one is super flashy.
Yeah.
But our old desk,
Oh, it was solid.
yeah, held us up under thick and thin.
It was excellent for all the right reasons.
It wasn't about what was on the outside.
No, it had what was important on the inside.
Yeah, it was true to us.
This one feels a little
Ostentatious.
gesundheit.
Oh well, too late now.
Yeah. Hey, but hey, it's Bible story time with Kellen. Oh.
Hey fellas! What is happening?
Well, we thought we'd soup up our desk.
Yeah, but I'm afraid we miss our old desk. Seems like we got caught up in thinking about things that don't really matter.
Yep. Well, today's Bible story is just one verse, but it's a good reminder that what we think about is really important.
Oh, well, then by all means, take it away, Kellen.
Our Bible verse today comes from the book of Philippians. Now, Philippians was a letter written by the Apostle Paul to one of the very first churches in a place called Philippi. And listen to what the verse says. Finally, my brothers and sisters, always think about what is true. Think about what is noble, right, and pure. Think about what is lovely and worthy of respect. If anything is excellent or worthy of praise, think about those kinds of things. So Paul was saying that we can control what we think about. And to help me break this verse down a little bit more, I have two of my absolute favorite people, Jackie and Dee Dee. Take it away.
Jackie, you know what I'm thinking? Is it true? Mm-hmm. Noble and right? You know it. Then let's do this. When you think of things that are true, it is good, yes, good for you. When you think of things noble and right, you will be a shining light. Woo!
Jackie and Dee Dee are exactly right. Paul tells us that our thoughts are super important. And when we focus our thoughts on things that are true, noble, right, and pure, it is good. And not just for us, but for those around us. Let's see what Jackie and Dee Dee have for us next.
Hey Jackie, what's up? Just thinking. What are you thinking? I'll tell you. Think on things worthy of praise, and you won't feel stuck in a maze. Think on things excellent, and you will find your heart content. Woo!
That's so true. Paul told us to think of lovely things, things worthy of respect. That really could be thinking about a beautiful piece of music you just listened to, or thinking about all that God has done for you. Sometimes, if we find ourselves thinking of things that aren't like the things Paul listed, we can feel lost. And that's when we need to adjust. Let's check in with Jackie and Dee Dee one more time.
Dee Dee! Here, Jackie, are you ready to bring this home? Oh, yes, that's a good thought. Let's do this. T-R-U-E, focus on what's true. Because when you do, God will make your heart brand new. T-R-U-E, think about what's right. God can help keep you focused on what's excellent and bright. T-R-U-E, God will always be. Let's think about that, and our minds will be set free. T-R-U-E, focus on what's true. Because when you do, God will make your heart brand new. Woo!
All right, let's give it up for Jackie and Dee Dee.
Woo! Bye, Kellen!
In this one verse, Paul gives us a lot. So let's look at it one more time. Finally, my brothers and sisters, always think about what is true. Think about what is noble, right, and pure. Think about what is lovely and worthy of respect. If anything is excellent or worthy of praise, think about those kinds of things. There are a lot of things in the world trying to get our attention. Our thoughts can be filled up with things like wanting more and more stuff or worry. But when we focus our thoughts on God and on things like Paul mentioned, things that are true and lovely, it can give us peace of mind. Here's one thing that's true to help you get your thoughts started. God loves you, no matter what. And God wants you to love others. When your thoughts come from a place of love, that's a great place to start.
Thanks, Kellen.
Yeah, that was great. It's hard for me to keep my thoughts focused on good things all the time.
Oh, no doubt. But we should always try. I think being aware of what we're thinking about throughout the day can put us on the right path.
Yeah, that's great. Hey, thanks, Kellen.
See you next time. Oh, I hope you figure out your desk situation.
Yeah, we'll think on it. What are you thinking about, bud?
I'm thinking about what I think about.
Which is...
Yeah.
Okay. Reveal the question. What do you spend the most time thinking about?
Food?
I think about what to watch on TV next.
Oh, yeah, or maybe you think about school or how many days there are until your birthday.
Or food.
Food.
Our mind is constantly thinking. Sometimes we just need to slow those thoughts down.
Yeah, because when our thoughts and our heart are focused on the things of God, we can choose to be truthful in whatever we say and do.
It doesn't matter how fancy your clothes are.
Yeah, or how fancy your desk is.
God cares about what's on the inside.
Mm-hmm. Should we get this desk back to what's on the inside?
Let's do it. And we'll see you next time on the So-and-So Show.
All right.
I'll get these lights.
All right, I'm going to start with this
All right.
saxophone, and I'm going to place it out here. All right.
Can you get these emergency lights here?
Oh, yeah, I'll get the emergency light. Whoa!
All right.
Man.
Sorry.
You'd think those would have gone off.
I know.
I know, it was an emergency.
All right. Here we go. Oh, sorry.
This is a lot.
Here, you got it.
Yep, that's hot. Oh, sorry, I unplugged it.
Oh, it's hot? I'm sorry.
No, that's all right. Not too hot. I think they're leads.
All right.
Yeah. How do we?
The wheels?
Oh yeah. Those are cool wheels, though.
All right. This is gonna take forever.
I know it is.
Yeah.